This is definitely so far the hardest mountain I've tried climbing. There's no fun part of the ascent. It's just pure torture, agony, climbing steep, sliding, crumbly cliff sides, and these manzanitas are everywhere. Oh my God. Well, good morning. It is almost 5:30. I just left my house about 15 minutes ago here in Sedona, Arizona. I am going to be climbing, or attempting to climb, Maroon Mountain today. It's a mountain I've had my sights set on for some time now. I don't know that anyone's ever summited this mountain. So today, I hope to be the first. Right now, I am driving to Vultee Road, where I will park at Secret Canyon Trailhead. Then from there, I will hike into Secret Canyon, roughly 1.5 miles, where then I will go off trail and make my way up the ridgeline I've scoped out. I'm here at the Secret Canyon Trailhead. It's a little after 5:30. Gonna get started. Today's the day, Maroon Mountain. 6,666 feet. Should be a little over 2,000 foot climb all up trail. I'm gonna try to run most of the trail to save time. It said partly cloudy today, but it is summer, July in Arizona, and it's gonna get hot, so I wanted to beat the heat and the monsoon storms, which usually happen around 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, I made it to the entrance of Secret Canyon. Secret Canyon is right behind me. And my mountain. I got about another 1.5 miles to go into the canyon, and then I start climbing up that ridge. You can see the ridge in the background as the sun hits the side of the mountain. I don't remember seeing grapes in Secret Canyon, but I just found some wild grapes. Wild Sedona grapes. Not ready yet, but that's amazing. Big grapevine. All right, I made it to where I'm gonna go off trail now. It is so humid. I'm sweating all my water out. This is where I'm going off trail and aiming for that ridge. Here we go. Right in front of me is the east wall of Maroon Mountain. Oh shit. I just stopped to take a break. I just climbed out of the canyon to head toward the ridge. But I just climbed up out of the canyon, the steepest climb, the shortest distance. It felt like I was getting no progress. Then I turn around and I see the incredible view. After climbing up all that, now I have to climb down a little bit to make it over to the other side. This is where the ridge starts. And I just need to get across the way. But like I said, I'm just sliding down it's like the harshest terrain. This is the last place you'd want to hike if you want to enjoy yourself. I basically have to climb all the way down most of the way I climb up to get over there, which just makes this route so much harder. So much up and then down and then up and then down, and very steep too. But I have to get that summit. Every step. View is incredible. I'm on the ridge now. It's just littered with dead manzanita. Like, this is my path in front of me. It'd be nice to have an open sky, just rock ridge, but it's gonna take some work. Doing a little bit of class 4 scrambling. Look at that exposure. I am so tired. I'm usually not this tired on my climbs, but I am exhausted. So much so that I've thought about giving up probably 20 times already. I only slept 3 hours last night, and it's been nothing but bushwhacking through the Manzanita. I've been sweating bullets the whole time. It's so humid, and now I'm in full sun on the ridge. But this ridge looks better than what I've been doing, so I'm gonna keep going. Oh God, Charlie horsed me bad. I don't know why. I've never struggled with Charlie horses so bad. I don't know why. Every 10 feet, my right quad's locking up. My left one's starting to feel like it's going too. I think it's so humid. I'm sweating out all my electrolytes, all my water. So I've made a lot of progress, so I'm gonna kind of take a little bit slower, try not to push myself too hard. Oh, God damn. Now it looks like all I have to do is climb this steep ridge part. Jesus Christ. Well, I had to stop again. Both legs, this time my left leg especially, locked up, Charlie horsed. I've never had so much trouble. And I'm so close. I can see where I need to be in those trees. This is definitely so far the hardest mountain I've tried climbing. There's no fun part of the ascent. It's just pure torture, agony. Climbing steep, sliding, crumbly cliff sides, and these manzanitas are everywhere. Luckily, I brought an electrolyte pack, and I just took that, so we'll see if that kicks in and gives my muscles some more strength. This is so hard. Every step is taking forever because this manzanita is so thick. And I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be able to record much of this ridge traverse because, number one, I'm sure you don't want to watch me just thrash through manzanita all day. And two, it takes too much energy. It's just taking the life out of me just to get up here. Shit. Oh my God. Close yet so far. As you can see right there, this is the ridge I came up. It is a steep one. It's a stretch to even call it a ridge. At this point, I don't even want to call it a ridge. It's a very unpleasant ridge to traverse. Slow me down. But God, the views keep distracting me. It's unbelievable. Well, I made it off the ridge. Now I'm on the side of the mountain with not too much more to go. Still very steep, but I'm making some amazing progress.
switchbacking up the side of Maroon Mountain. I think I made it. Let's see what's on the other side of Secret Canyon. Should be Long Canyon over here. Well, I made it to the top of Maroon Mountain. Definitely the hardest Sedona climb I've ever done. The route I took was probably the only way, if not maybe there might be one more way up, and it was so difficult. I am so fatigued. I've never been so tired in my life, but made it to the top of Maroon Mountain and peering down into Long Canyon. It's not my favorite mountain as far as the top goes. It's just so dense with manzanita. You can't get anywhere. And you can't really see anything unless you're standing right on a cliff. I am a little disappointed. It took me a long time to get up here, and it was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. That's not why I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed I couldn't get over to the other side of the mountain to see the rest of Sedona, but I tried making my way over there. I feel like this is good enough. After the ascent I went through, I am not about to go through a quarter mile of manzanita. I'm almost out of water. I'm gonna try to get down alive now. I'm gonna try to shoot down the wash that's parallel to the ridge I climbed up. Hopefully that goes all the way and I don't have to do too much climbing anymore. This is the way to go down the mountain. I just saw an owl as I'm making my way down the mountain. My skin is black from all the dirt I've been just swimming in. But I'm rewarded with the sight of an owl. Pretty cool little guy. I've never in my life been this exhausted before. So unfortunately, I couldn't record on the way back. I was way too dehydrated and dangerously close to heat stroke. Maroon Mountain is a beast. It needs to be respected as so. It was definitely worth it to be the first person to summit the mountain, and I can finally put this mountain to rest as it will no longer call to me. A real adventure demands an uncertain outcome. It's nice to know when you're going to make it to the top, but it takes something away. Far better to achieve what you weren't sure you could accomplish.